Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add or change your company details on your Upwork account. So if you're a client, if you create an account to be a client, so you need to get work or get help with tasks that you want to do, then you may also want to update your company information. So to change that, click your account on the upper right hand side and go to account settings there, guys. Then on the left hand side, you want to ensure that you're under my info, then scroll down and you'll find the company details, and pretty much all you have to do is click on the pencil icon towards the right, and here you can change or update your company details. So here the company name, so if I want to say Drew Tutorial, right, and if I the website, I can enter YouTube or whatever it is that I want to, or if I official website, then here you can add the industry. You can just choose whatever it is. So in this case, I'm going to just choose tech and IT as an example. How many employees, let's say 2 to 9, for example, and tagline you can add and description you can add, whatever it is. Then click on save, right? And that's pretty much it. So you can fill out the details with as much meaningful stuff about your company as you can, and that information will be there about your company. And that's how you add or update your company information on your Upwork account, guys.